Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 5th of 2020, and in this video here I want to show how to start Feverfew from seeds. Now this is a new plant that I decided to try this year, and the variety that I'm growing is White Stars, and I already have my seed starting mix prepared here. And I will be showing you some that I did start in a flat and they're already coming up, but these here for the video I'm just going to show to you how to start them in a 6-pack here. Now, Feverfew seeds do need light to germinate, and they are very small, so definitely, like, if you have any fans running or anything like that, either block the fan, maybe turn it off or when you're planting them. So I'm just going to take and just the seed right there, and I'm just going to press it into the soil, but I'm not going to cover it. Oops. Put this one here, right there. Okay, here we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take my spray bottle and gently mist over the top of the soil there. There we go. And I'm just going to take and put this here on the heated floor. I am growing these out in the greenhouse. And I will show you the ones that I already have germinating. Now, I do have videos on my channel for how I mix my seed starting mix. I'm using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. And I will have links down in the description for the plant tags that I use. It's very important that you label your seedlings so that you don't get anything mixed up, because that way then you know what's coming up, what you planted, and what you didn't. So one thing that I do is I mist the top of the soil every day, just to make sure that my seeds stay nice and moist so that they don't dry out on me. These are my Feverfew seedlings here that are starting to come up. Now these were planted January 31st, and they started coming up on the 3rd. And I did put them down here on the radiant heated floor, and was very pleased with how quickly they germinated and came up for me. Now I still have more of these germinating in here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking the seedlings out of here and transferring them into like my 6-packs and 4-packs. And I do still mist the top of the soil because I want to make sure it stays nice and moist so that my seeds don't dry out. And I planted about 28 seeds in here, so I still have to wait for the rest of them to come up, but they are still germinating for me. So see, there's one here that just didn't push the seed coating off yet. And I want to keep my seedlings nice and shorter, so that's why I'm going to be pricking them out of here and transferring them to my other containers then, so I can put them up on the shelves out in the greenhouse. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!